Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. This morning we're gonna go pick up a short box square body C10. Something I came across on Kijiji and it was just posted, and called the guy. Sounds like it checks out, so I'm gonna go down there with some cash and we'll see what it brings. But I figured I'd bring the camera along because I finished this thing, so I figured I'm due for another project. I got the floor pans and cab mounts and rockers done on this thing. It goes for a safety this week. It's original seat, in case I didn't mention that 30 times. But yeah, so we'll see how it goes. Bringing the cash, and got a tow truck ready. And okay, just got back to where the short box Chevy is here, and had a good look over. It seems like it's going to be a solid truck and not too much work needed to get it going. Said it was safety, then sat for a bit here, as you could tell by the rest of the place. 6-cylinder, power steering, air conditioning, kind of a neat little combo. I'm probably gonna leave the 6 in it and work with that. But it's a nice shape, all original. Looks like a couple spots been touched up, but you know, the door jambs are original. So yeah, get it on the hoist, see what we're really working with, because I only crawled around so much with it. Oh, wrong way. Alright, so we made it back home here. Buddy ended up having some rally wheels that I couldn't leave without, so those went on, and for the first time in a long time I was able to drive this thing home. So that's pretty slick. Drove alright. I mean, just alright is the words I would say, but hey, it drove, so that's what counts. Box is nice on this thing, and slowly getting to go through it. Right now we're going to pull it onto the hoist and see what we're actually working with, because you never know until you know. I mean, I could only crawl around so much, but it's got a nice shake to it, a nice rattle. I think it's just the exhaust going, but what do I really know? Starts all right. Nice, first try. Not a total piece of junk. Okay, let's see what we're working with here. The looks of it, they got the rockers and cab corners done. Did a good job though. Looked like original fenders and original doors. Definitely not all original paint all the way around. That's all right. She's pretty greasy under there, which is good because it's kind of like preserved in my opinion. A little sarcophagus, not rusty, not seized bolts. That's a plus. Both sides arches, nice tailgate, decent bumper, nice hitch. Grab this light here and we'll see what the underneath looks like. This is a BC truck, so if that's so, then it should be, rolling around on that, should be pretty nice. And it is. I've already found out it's not the original box, so that's okay. Original inner rockers, original cab mounts on the front, that's nice. Again, it's greasy, which is I would prefer it that way. Nice exhaust. Holy crap, someone did a good job. Wasn't me. Definitely wasn't me. Front end felt tight on the way home, so that's nice. Shocks are just ancient, but yeah, this is an ugly bit here. I don't know. I don't even know if I'm gonna dig into it right now. I think the plan for this thing right now is to just splash it with some paint, get it back to that blue. It's like, I don't even know, denim blue, probably definitely not the color name, but get it back to that blue and leave the silver steelies, maybe do the roof silver because that's hot, but splash with paint and see what else it'll need. But so far, just some minor things I've noticed. Looks pretty complete and ready to go otherwise.